Well, your Smart Shopper team strives to bring you the best deals first. And weekly, we do just that because we show you the grocery ads before you get them in your email or even in your mailbox, because we want to help you plan your meals for your entire week. So check out the highlights. Orange, you ready for some fruit? Bashas has 2-pound bags of clementines on sale for $1.47 each. And you can choose from several types of apples, including large Gala, Ambrosia, and Granny Smith for just 88 cents per pound. That's more than half off. Fry's has pineapples for more than half off their regular price too, just 99 cents each. They also have the best deal we found on 2 liters of Coca-Cola or 7-Up, 69 cents each when you buy 5. The best deal we found on seedless grapes is at Albertsons though. Pay 77 cents per pound for red, green, or black grapes. While you're there, grab a carton of 18 large Lucerne eggs for just $1.57. You can also get Sanderson Farms split chicken breasts, whole chickens, drumsticks, thighs, and leg quarters for 89 cents per pound. Food City is also enticing you with chicken. Get bone-in split chicken breasts, pork brisket ribs, or bone-in pork sirloin roast for just 87 cents per pound. And since we're talking meat, stop into Safeway because they have frozen pork loin ribs, petite sirloin steak, or chuck tender fillets on sale. Buy 1 and get 3 free. Safeway also has 6 ounces of blueberries for just 97 cents each. And don't forget, Safeway and Albertsons both have their mix and match deals section, where you can buy multiples of 4 and get some awesome deals. To check out the rest of them, go to our website, abc15.com/smartshopper.